Hey, I'm gonna go get the BX and smooth up some dirt out here next to the pond. And don't y'all tell Clayton, I don't want to get in trouble now. Okay, this is after we cleaned around the pond and carried the dirt off and everything. We got a couple days of dry weather and wind and stuff, and it dried this dirt out really quick. And so I went ahead one evening and took the little tractor, the little BX and Kubota, and smoothed it all up and drug some of the rocks and stuff off. There's still a few things we'll have to hand pick and get rid of, but it turned out pretty good, and got it all smoothed up before the rain hit and made it muddy again. We'll try to get some grass and stuff growing on it come springtime, and maybe get it dressed up before we start mowing over in here. I don't know if the grass will grow that enough or not. I can't believe it will. We'll stay off of it. We'll ride around through there a lot and stuff. But just thanks for watching. I tell you, I have been really impressed with this little Kubota. Excellent to mow with, and we've got some fairly steep places that I mow with it. Once springtime hits and we start mowing, I'll show you some of them and how it does. But as far as going up and down the hill, it does really well with that. And I'm impressed with how it does with this blade grading and stuff. And it's just for the size of the machine, it's really handy and performs well. I first didn't much want a loader on it. I'd kind of in a way like to have one now. Went ahead and got the loader valve just in case. I've also thought about a front-mounted blade. I don't really know what route I would like to go, but it'd be pretty handy to have a little loader on this thing. Just have to be careful with it on our heels and stuff, not to turn over. Make sure we got a good counter ballast on it, but maybe that's something for the future plans. But if you're considering getting one, I'd highly recommend it. This is the 2380 with 60-inch deck, is what mowing deck's what come on it, and I liked it a lot better than I first had thought about the 1880. But after looking at it, it's got a little bit smaller tires, and I think the seat's not as nice as this one, and I'm not sure if it has tilt steering or not, but this one has the tilt steering wheel and a nice seat, and a little bigger tires. And frame wise, I think the 2380 and the 2680 are the same. The only difference is the horsepower, but this one seems to have plenty of horsepower. But now if he's going to use a snow blower or something like that, or maybe a rotary tiller, you might would want a little more power. I don't know. Don't have one to where I could give you a good answer on that, but for what we do with it, the 2380 is probably the perfect size for us. But I'd highly recommend one of them. Hey, I really appreciate you all watching, and if you will, just please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.